Here's a counterintuitive color secret. Start with the pillow you love, then let the paint chase it. I'm your guide from Decor Like a Dream, and today we're exploring living room color schemes from bold to understated. We'll blend trends with timeless design principles, budget moves, and smart space strategies so any style feels cohesive. Whether you crave drama or calm, you'll leave with confident palettes and simple steps to make them sing in your home. Go big with jewel tones. Emerald, cobalt, and paprika create instant energy. Keep walls saturated or choose a deep sofa, then balance with natural textures. Oak, linen, rattan that ground the look. Matte finishes absorb light for moody sophistication. Gloss bounces it for glamour. Add a single high-contrast stripe or color-dipped legs on a table to repeat the hue. Use charcoal or chocolate as neutrals, so the richness feels intentional rather than random. For modern pop without overwhelm, try crisp black and white and spotlight one vivid accent, like marigold or teal. Repeat the accent 3 times. Pillows, a vase, and a throw to unify the room. Pattern mixing works when scales vary. Broad stripes, mid-sized geometrics, and tiny dots. Want budget friendliness? Swap removable cushion covers, trade lampshades, or rotate a rug from another room to freshen the palette without repainting or buying new furniture. Prefer quiet luxury? Lean into a tonal palette of warm greige, soft taupe, oatmeal and herbaceous sage. Depth comes from texture. Nubby boucle, smooth leather, airy voile and brushed brass. Follow the 60-30-10 rule. Dominant neutral, supporting shades, strategic accent to keep harmony. Wood stains should share undertones. Pair cooler walnuts with brushed nickel, or warmer oaks with aged brass. When everything whispers, shapes and silhouettes carry the drama. Color can glide with the seasons without a full reset. In spring, mingle gentle pastels with fresh greenery. Summer loves crisp whites, citrus accents, and breezy cottons. Autumn warms up with rust, terracotta, and olive, grounded by woven textures. In winter, lean into deep berry, forest green, and plush knits. Store off-season textiles in labeled bins so swapping takes minutes. Consider a neutral base rug and seasonal accent runners layered on top. Ready to craft your palette? Tell me your current living room color and the mood you want next, and I'll suggest a direction. For more tips like these, subscribe to Decor Like a Dream and join our community of confident home stylists. If this helped you plan your next refresh, please like, share, and comment below. And please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and happy coloring.